Hello all, welcome to the Universal Group of Institution Bangalore. Recently, Chennai's coastline witnessed a stunning natural spectacles as bioluminescent waves lit up the shores, attracting residents and tourists. So this bioluminescence is a natural phenomena primarily produced by microscopic marine organism called Dinoflagellates. These planktons emit light on ocean surface at night, creating a mesmerizing glow. This effect is more visible in warm weather and low light condition as dinoflagellates follow a circadian rhythm that triggers light production during night time. And apart from this, bioluminescence is common among various deep sea creatures like, for example, jellyfish, sponges, worms, fish and even certain algae. It serves multiple purposes including evading predators, luring prey or during mating. The phenomenon occurs when the enzyme lucifera reacts with the compound luciferin in the presence of oxygen, producing a cold light without generating heat. In India, this rare phenomena has been observed in several coastal regions, including Havelock Island in the Andaman Islands, Mattu Beach in Karnataka, Thiruvanjupniyur Beach in Chennai, and Bangaram Island in Lakshadweep, offering a unique natural spectacle for those lucky enough to witness it. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us.